We're never going to sit around and like watch TV or, you know, live on a cruise ship. We'll go, I can totally see us like doing service trips and everything, but, you know, you need money to do that. And the journey to get there, I hope to do so with integrity, right? Like I'm not interested in giving people, you know, like overcharging for service. I'm not interested in giving poor service so that I can line my pockets. That is truly not my interest. My interest is to give a fair price, fair service, fairly compensate my employees, fairly compensate us so that we can, and to do so with integrity, while we make some money.
That's what I'm talking about.
I mean, is that, maybe that's an oxymoron.
Yeah, no, I think I think that is, I love that because it's like, you know, I think why people get, well, I don't know, I think why some people get like weird about people saying that they're wanting to make money and like, you know, it's because there's a lot of examples of people doing it without integrity, right? There's like tons of examples of climbing the ladder by stepping on everybody's heads, or big corporations screwing employees. And, you know, there's just a lot of stories about that. And, you know, probably most of them are true and some of them are not. And, but that's sort of that image that gets in there. But like having the goal to have financial freedom, to be able to live life on your terms, basically is, I think it's admirable. And being able to, you know, have time freedom to serve, I think is great. And then doing that journey with integrity is, I don't know that there's anything more admirable than that. Like